everybody, hi, I'm Maz and welcome to week 13 of Babies and Books. So if you've seen the videos before, you'll know already it's about spending time with your baby, really being with your baby, enjoying being with them, and it's about books, and we sing some songs along the way as well. So we always start now with our name song. So we've got our waving hands ready, if you've got your baby where you can see them, and we'll say, hello Bob, hello Bob, hello Bob, it's nice to have you here. Hello Nora, hello Nora, hello Nora, it's nice to have you here. Hello Bronwyn, hello Bronwyn, hello Bronwyn, it's nice to have you here. So we're going to be doing some different songs this week. We've moved on to a new book, which is Baby Play by Sky Silver, and it's a book with the Book Trust as well. And so this is much more about physical activity. So we're going to be doing some more physical songs this time. Okay, so I'm going to start with If You're Happy and You Know It. So some of you may know this, but it's quite a repetitive song, so you should pick up the words quite easily. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, shout we are. We are! If you're happy and you know it, shout we are. We are! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout we are. We are! Yay! So the next one is about using our hands. So if your baby can try and open, depending how old they are obviously, they can open and close their hands. It's great for fine motor movement. And if not, if you can just have your baby where they can see you and see you opening and closing your hands. There we go. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Roll them just like this. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Blow a little kiss. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Don't get in a muddle. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little cuddle. So at the end of that song, it's lovely just to give your little one just a nice little hug. And the next one's one I know from my childhood, so it's Wind the Bobbin Up. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands upon your knees. Fantastic. So as I say, the book we're looking at today is Baby Play. And we're just going to look at the first half of the book today. And you will notice as well that it is in black and white. So as we've mentioned before, black and white images are really good for children as they're the first colours that they can see, and it helps with their eyes. So the first page says, Peekaboo, I see you. we love to play together. So obviously this is encouraging you to play a game of peekaboo with your baby. So you can maybe get a scarf or a tea towel or something and maybe just pop it over their faces and go peeka, 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 boo. Peeka, 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 boo. Or pop your hands over your face and play peekaboo like that. Peekaboo! And babies are absolutely fascinated with faces. Peeka, 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 boo. It helps with eye movement, it helps with eye contact, and it also tickles their sense of humour. Some babies will find it really funny that you're gone and then you come back again. And that's the idea as well as object permanence, that something may be hidden, but it can still be there. Okay, so on to the, and we're saying as well that nappy change is a really good time to play peekaboo, because obviously your baby may be lying fairly still when you're doing that as well, so it's quite a nice game to play when you're changing the nappy. The next page, bounce and swing, clap and sing. We love to dance together. So again, encouraging physical movement. At no other point do children learn more about physical activity than the first 5 years of their life. So get active with them, really. And so with this one, what we're suggesting is if you can bounce your babies on your knee very gently, or obviously if they're newborns or a little bit younger, then you can lie them across your thighs because they haven't got a lot of head control, so just lie them across your thighs and gently bounce them up and down. And it's a really fun way to develop your baby's balance and core strength as well. And then you could move them backwards and forwards, maybe a little rocking movement, should I say. And that can have a calming effect on your babies as well. Okay, the next one. Snack them tall, crash they fall. We love to build together. So I've got my building blocks here. I've snapped them in sort of a little shape. And babies will find it just so much fun, and they can spend ages if you knock them down. And then you build them back up again. And it's the repetition for them, and it's them trying to figure out what's happened and what's going on. So you can stack them in a tower, you can stack them anyhow you like. And they could be soft blocks or hard blocks, whatever you want to use. And it's new experiences, and you can do it over and over again. And it allows your child to try to work out what's been going on. So I hope you've enjoyed that story, and as I say, we will carry on and we will finish the book next week. So I hope you join us then. Wow!